to make a cloud in a bottle, which will be really cool. But if we think about how clouds are formed, they start with the water vapor that goes up into the air, and you can't really see the water vapor, can you? Because it's all around us. So whenever it gets higher up into the sky, the air pressure starts to become greater, and that's where we see our condensation happen, because the air condenses and gets pressed together to form our clouds. So we are going to do the same thing in our bottle. So we'll speed up the process a little bit so you'll get to see the whole thing. So to start, I have a cup of water here. We don't need very much water for this experiment. So we're going to carefully dump our water into our bottle. And we just need enough so that we have a little puddle at the bottom of our bottle, if you can see that. And then you just want to rotate the bottle a little bit so that we coat the bottom, and we're going to help our water here start to turn into that water vapor, because we know that that happens in the water cycle. So then we have our water vapor starting to form. But to speed up the process here, we are going to use an air pump. So I have my little air compressor here, and I have attached the cap of the bottle to the end of my hose. And inside, I sealed it with some handy-dandy Play-Doh so that no air would be able to escape. So I'm going to put this on, and this doesn't need to be on very tight. It just needs to be on there well enough so that the air cannot escape. So I'm just going to hold that on here. And then I'll turn this on, and when I turn it on, the bottle will start to fill up with air. And if you were able to touch the bottle right now, you would feel like right now we can squish it, but once we put the air into it, it'll become hard, and when we get enough pressure, we'll pull the cap off, and hopefully you'll be able to see a cloud form inside of here. Okay, so let's give it a try. And there we go. We have our cloud in a bottle. You can see how all of that mist formed, and you might have been able to see some come out the top on that one. So that's how we have our cloud in a bottle, because when I put that air pressure in there, what happened? It all condensed, and we made condensation happen right in front of us. So this is our cloud in a bottle.